Henrik and I have been dating for 4 months. One day, he surprised me with plane tickets to Bali. At the time, I didn't think I would have much of an adventure in Bali. And this was the prelude to a magical experience. It's a perfect morning while Henrik and I are enjoying our breakfast. He told me that he will show me a beautiful place. This is the place where tradition rules, where spirituality is everywhere, where negativities are lost, where beauty in the eye and soul is found. I could see here, respect is a way of life. Here, friendship and happiness blossom. Everyone I see is beaming. Even the locals who have visited 1,000 times smile as though whatever waits below amazes them every time. I love this walk. I love the flowers along the way. I love the gentle sun on my face. I love the sound of the water waiting for me below, sounding as excited as I am. The rocks are so majestic. They're in perfect harmony with the water and earth and trees surrounding them. The peaceful yet unbelievable nature that encompasses us. The perfect balance of serenity and amazement. Not just the sights, but the smell of fresh nature, the feeling of unique rock patterns, leafy textures, and spotless water, even the taste of pure air, and the sound of life in every plant, every leaf, every aspect of creation. All my senses are blessed, and I've never been so submerged in the beauty of nature. It's just us and nature the way it should be. It's an indescribable feeling, a comfort, yet an ambition to see every crevice and every angle there was. Every view is incredible. The rays of light peeking through gaps above, the patches of green that complements the rocks, the water flowing through and connecting it all. Suddenly, all my curiosity is fulfilled as I stare at the great waterfall before us. I could never have imagined an ending so perfect to the sensational adventures that led to this paradise.
I wanted to bring you here to tell you I love you.
I love you too. How could I not love a man that brought me to this treasure?